Let's start with so-called software non-functional testing guide. Non-functional testing assess application properties that aren't critical to functionality, but contribute and important to the end user experience. Performance, volume, stress, security, recovery, and reliability under load aren't functional components of a software system, but can certainly make or break the actual user experience. Once again, let's take a look at non-functional quality control features. Split. We have a number of them: volume, load, capacity, stress, soak, security, install, uninstall, and recovery. Let's start with volume. Volume testing is a type of performance testing that evaluates how a system handles large amounts of data to ensure its stability and reliability under heavy data loads. It involves, injecting massive data sets to identify bottlenecks like slow response times, data storage limitations, or processing issues that occur when the system is processing a high volumes of records or transactions. Next is load. Load testing is the process of simulating expected user traffic to a software application to determine how it performs under normal and peak load conditions. This helps identify bottlenecks, assess system stability, and ensure the application can handle real-world usage before it's being deployed. By measuring response time and throughput, organizations can optimize performance, plan for scalability, and prevent crashes or slowdowns. Next is capacity. Capacity testing evaluates a system ability to handle a maximum load to identify its breaking point, helping with performance optimization and planning. It pushes a system to its limits to find the upper threshold of users or transactions it can support while maintaining acceptable performance. This quite differs from load testing, which checks performance under a specific expected load. Next is stress. Software stress testing is a type of performance testing that evaluates the stability and robustness of a software application under extreme, unfavorable conditions, often beyond its normal operational limits. The primary goal is to identify the application's breaking point and observe its behavior when it's subjected to high stress levels. It involves extreme conditions, identifying actual breaking points, robustness and recovery, and vulnerability. Next is very interesting soak. Soak testing is a type of performance testing that assesses a software application's stability and reliability during prolonged continuous use under a sustained load. It helps identify long-term issues like memory leaks, resource depletion, and performance degradation that may not surface in shorter tests. Security. Software security testing is a type of testing that identifies and resolves vulnerabilities in software to protect it from attacks, unauthorized access, and data breaches. It involves simulating real-world attacks to find weaknesses that could be exploited and ensures the software is compliant with security standards. This process is a critical part of a software development lifecycle with the goal of preventing security flaws from reaching end users. Next one, install and uninstall. Software install testing verifies that the program installs correctly on various systems, runs as expected after installation, and can be cleanly uninstalled. It checks for issues like missing files, configuration errors, or conflicts with other software, and ensures the process is smooth and reliable for the actual end user. And finally, recovery. Software recovery testing is a type of non-functional testing that evaluates a system's ability to recover from crashes, hardware and network failures, or other unexpected disasters. Its main goal is to ensure that software can restore its functionality, data integrity, and state with minimal data loss or downtime. This is achieved by intentionally simulating various failure scenarios to test how well the application bounces back.